Bulk import helps when a portfolio has too many listings for one by one entry, but bulk import can also multiply mistakes. One bad mapping can repeat wrong bedroom counts, stale photos, mixed up location fields, or unclear source notes across dozens of listings. The safe workflow is simple: import, review, repair, then operate. For portfolio teams, the bulk import workflow has three onboarding paths: CSV upload, approved source links, and white glove migration. Start with CSV when your team already has a clean spreadsheet or export. Download the template, add stable property details, upload the file, then validate the rows before committing anything. The preview is the checkpoint. Review title, city, state, rent, beds, baths, property type, and schema errors. Only commit rows that are clean. Use source links only when your team controls the page or has permission to reuse it. Capture the source, create a draft, and review the imported listing before anything goes live. Use white glove migration when an enterprise portfolio needs help with an approved export, deduplication, or data repair. Yardi, AppFolio, and RealPage exports belong in that lane. Guesty and Hospitable are separate PMS integration flows. They can still copy listings into reviewable drafts, but they are not the three-card bulk import path. After the job runs, open the import detail page. Check total rows, processed rows, failed rows, and repair notes before moving on. Then review the inventory on the vendor listings page. Confirm identity, location, photos, counts, amenities, monthly rental language, availability notes, and source references before publishing or routing traffic. Once listings are usable, the vendor workspace carries the operation: leads, messages, analytics, and team controls. Bulk import is not a shortcut around review. It is the fastest way to turn good source data into listings your team can actually operate.